Our school is a place of kindness. Our school not only a place to gain knowledge, it is also a place where you can learn how to live among others. Kindness has a big role in process. Our students and teachers treat each other with respect and care. Everybody feels safe and supported. Kindness increases motivation to learn.
Kindness in our school improves our mood and our success. In our school, we feel supported. We aren't afraid to make mistakes. Kind teacher words give us confidence and motivation. Kind classmates make learning more enjoyable and successful. Kindness helps everyone achieve more.
Kindness doesn't have to be something big. A smile, a compliment, or helping someone carry books can make people feel noticed and appreciated. These actions help build stronger relationships. This way kindness spreads throughout the school.
Kindness is one of the strongest tools to fight bullying. Our students support each other. A kind friend can make someone feel less alone and more confident. There is a culture of kindness in our school.
Our school promotes kindness by organizing events and projects, what teaches us how to care for us actions. We feel that school is more than a lesson, it's a place where we grow as people.
Kindness helps us build strong relationships in the future. It teaches us empathy, cooperation, and emotional intelligence. These are just as important math or science. A better world starts in the classroom.